Hey, I'd like to thank Zantrex for sending me their SkinnyStix. This is the flavor Berry Fusion, and what these are is they are a drink powder that come in these SkinnyStix that you just add to water. It is a drink, it is a supplement, and it has ingredients in it that help boost your mood, help boost your energy, help boost your focus. So we are going to try this out. I have just a bottle of water, and you just rip off the top like that. And we're going to open up the water and dump it in. So this, like I said, this is the Berry Fusion flavor. And I want to tell you about some of the ingredients that this has. It has niacin, it has yerba mate, it also has some other beneficial natural ingredients like guarana, coffee bean extract, cacao seed extract. It also has cayenne fruit powder, but it's not spicy. It's berry flavored. And then grape, blueberry, cranberry, raspberry, strawberry. So, taste test. It's a little bit stronger of a taste than I was expecting. So it has kind of a, I would say a bold flavor, kind of tart maybe. And one thing to remember about this is it does have 110 milligrams of caffeine. So that's roughly half of a cup of coffee. So beware of that. It does have caffeine in it, and it's very tasty. I like that. Now, some things that you're going to want to remember, this is important. For best results, you would want to mix this up and drink it about 15 minutes before a meal. And then don't do more than 3 in one day. That is part of the instructions here. So yeah, this is fun. It does come in other flavors as well. And the SkinnyStix, they taste good, and you'll boost your mood, your focus, energy, easy to take. So yeah, very good. Thank you. Have you tried it? I'd be curious to hear how you like it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please click subscribe. Thanks.